Gigatome Polycut-Legacy. Being the gold standard in microtomy for life and material sciences for over 40 years, this outstanding instrument is back now in a state-of-the-art version without forgetting the strengths which made it so popular. The fully automated instrument is controlled by a unit using intuitive modern touchscreen technology as well as traditional high-precise turning knobs and buttons. With the automatic speed going down to 0.1 mm per second, it can section even the most difficult specimens successfully. Different knife holders are available, so a wide range of solid steel knives, tungsten carbide knives or disposable blades can be used, and each knife holder can be additionally declinated to a 45-degree angle to take advantage of a long pulled cut. There is a variety of object clamps and paraffin tables and stages available for specimen up to 200 to 250 millimeters with a height of up to 70 millimeters, so you succeed in every sectioning challenge. Embedded materials or parts coming raw from your production can be sectioned in special clamps, either square or round with different sizes and diameters. And if you need something customized, you are with a specialist right here. All clamps are available with a lateral movement along the edge of the knives and blades, so a maximum of economic benefit is aimed in the sectioning process in addition. Moreover, we can customize a liquid nitrogen solution for you, so either if you want to section fresh, native biological specimen cooled down at an ambient surrounding, or if you're going for specimen from foam or leather sectioned at their glass point, we offer the solution. Start processing whatever you want and benefit from the huge possibilities the Gigatome Polycut-Legacy offers you. See you in the lab soon.